Take a picture now. Now.
What are you
Now
doing?
get in the picture.
Maylee. There it is. It's
Take it
hanging on
now.
a nail.
Take the picture of it
Did
now.
did you know that it's actually on video and I got the whole thing? Oh yeah, there's a little pile of leaves over there. She raked it up. And we got one trusty pumpkin from James' pumpkin patch he planted. One trusty pumpkin. The other ones haven't came in yet. They're too small, but that one's our biggest. This we found. It's like a vintage baby doll stroller. We found it over in the dumpster over there at Tom's. And so I was like, oh, well, maybe I could sell it or let the kids play with it. Or just give it to the Goodwill. There's my zinnias. They finally came in. They're not full bloom yet. Oh, there's like a big old, what is that thing on there? Stink bug. Yeah. This is the pink ones, and then those are the orange ones in pink. Yeah. Say bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.